And what do we think?
Would we have to make all of the graphs that open down, would we have to make their equations negative?
Oh. When you looked at the pictures, did you pay attention to the end behavior? For example, graph A, that's a down, down, which means it's a negative even degree. So absolutely, we need a negative out in front of that. So the factors look great. They are both squared because we are bouncing, right? But we need a negative out there. All right, now tell me, since we've talked about it, which other ones? Look at the pictures. Which other ones are going to need a negative? Is B going to need a negative? No. Is C going to need a negative? Yes, because normal, odd, and behavior is down, up. This one is up, down, so that's negative. C is negative. All right, what about D? Nope, D's good. E needs to be negative. F looks okay. G looks okay. And H looks okay. Now, I'm just talking about signs. I'm not talking about, oh wait. No. I didn't look at the factors. How do those factors look? Do those match what you guys had? They look okay. Remember that when it squiggles through, that's a cubic factor, so that's why we have some cubes in here. Yeah, what do we think? I'm okay with those. Are we okay with those equations? Look.
Why would G and H not be negative?
G. Okay, why do you think they would be negative?
Because the end behavior is going down and up.
That is normal cubic behavior.
Yeah.
Normal cubes start down and end up. And that's what G is doing.
Okay.
Left to right, it's starting down and ending up. That's what cubes do, or odds. That's what odd powers do. All right, what do you think about Celeste's pictures? She got the first two done. What do you think about those? I need to look at the equations here.
I think my B's wrong.
What is the degree of equation B? The degree of B, I'm talking about, when we're sketching now. That goes there. 6. The degree of that's 6. 6 is even. That 1/2 is positive. So how should it look? Like this? You have it upside down, so
Yeah.
yeah. So she's got the right idea, she just got it upside down. So we got an intercept here and here and here, she did great with those. This is a cube. This one is just a pass through. And that one's a square. So what do you think about that? Is that okay? All right, can we get the rest of the graphs up here quickly? Just so we can check, make sure everybody's on track. How many more are there? Volunteers, can we come up? I know we can't fit a bunch of people up here, but we can get 3 at a time. So, C, E, and G maybe? Appreciate our volunteers, we really rely on you. You can do as many as you want. Alright, how about E and F? Can we get E and F up here quickly? We're almost out of time. Can we get E and F? Please compare what you have on your paper with what's on the board, so we have some thing to talk about. So for C here, you had to factor it. So did everybody get that factored? So that's why we have zeros at 0, 1, and 6. Is this right?
I don't think so.
The zeros are correct. The x-intercepts are correct. We're at 0,
I forgot the negative.
1, and 6.
So
But
it's
not-
opposite?
It is, but not only that, this is the bounce point, because that is that factor, right? So it's coming up from the bottom, it's gonna bounce there. And then, does that look more like what you have on your paper?
I don't know how I missed
Yeah, is that okay? All right, how does D look? Does D look right? Notice the little, you know,
that. Is that what
wave right there. F. All right, I've got F upside down. Should F be upside down?
Oh, yeah.
Remember guys, odd powers look like this. This is the way odds behave. Think of a regular line. That's X to the first. That's how it behaves. Any odd power is going to start down and end up normally. So F has a negative in front of it, so I think it should actually look like this. That okay? What about G? My G looks like that. And my H looks like that. And how come no one did E? What is the big deal there?
I might.
Oh my gosh, if you're balking because it has a pi in it, smack yourself. Pi is 3.14, right? So you just put a dot there, somewhere between 3 and 4. And then we've got one here. What power is this polynomial? 4th, that's even. Evens are gonna start up here. That's a cube, so it's gonna have to squiggle through that one and come back up and hit that one. So it should look like that. All right with everybody? All right, tomorrow we are going to start our 1.6. We'll get those done. So tomorrow I'm going to sign 1.6. So that'll be due on Thursday. Oh no, Friday. Tomorrow's Wednesday. Friday.